Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jennifer, and today we'll talk about how to speak English fluently without fear. Even if you feel nervous, shy, or make mistakes, this video will help you speak with confidence. I know it's frustrating to know words and grammar, but still feel frozen when speaking. So stay with me until the end, because I'll share a special tip most beginners don't know that can reduce fear and make speaking English feel natural. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss easy, confidence-building English tips. Let me ask you a question. Do you feel nervous speaking English because you're afraid of making mistakes or being judged for your pronunciation or grammar? Or maybe you freeze in conversations and find yourself translating from your native language, which makes your sentences slow and awkward. If you feel this way, don't worry. I'll share 5 simple steps to help you speak English fluently and confidently without fear. The first and most important step to speaking English without fear is to accept that making mistakes is a normal and necessary part of learning. Because every fluent speaker started as a beginner who made mistakes. Remind yourself daily that mistakes are proof you are learning, not proof you are failing. Try to speak even if you are unsure about grammar or pronunciation. The more you speak, the faster you learn. Keep a positive mindset by replacing thoughts like, "I can't speak English perfectly" with "I'm practicing and improving every day." Record yourself occasionally to notice progress over time, instead of focusing only on errors. Accepting mistakes removes fear, builds confidence, and helps you focus on communication instead of perfection, the key to fluency. Step 2 is to practice speaking out loud every day, because fluency comes from using English, not just memorizing rules or words silently. Talk to yourself about your daily activities or thoughts. I am cooking breakfast. I am planning my day. Record yourself speaking for 1 to 2 minutes and listen carefully, not to judge, but to notice small improvements and areas to practice. Use simple sentences and common phrases instead of worrying about complicated grammar. Try to speak without stopping, even if you repeat words or take short pauses. This helps your brain get used to forming sentences quickly. Speaking out loud daily strengthens your brain-mouth connection and helps you produce English naturally, reducing fear over time. The third step is to think in English instead of translating from your native language, because translation slows you down, increases hesitation, and creates fear of saying something wrong. They start with simple thoughts. I am hungry. It is sunny outside. Describe your actions mentally throughout the day. I am walking to the bus stop. I am opening my laptop to check emails. Ask yourself simple questions in English. What will I eat for lunch? Where should I go after work? Gradually, your brain will start forming sentences in English automatically, which reduces hesitation and builds fluency. Thinking in English trains your mind to form sentences naturally, making your speech faster, smoother, and more confident. Step 4 is listening, repeating, and shadowing, which helps you improve pronunciation, rhythm, and natural intonations, all of which are essential to speaking fluently without fear. Watch short English videos, shows, or podcasts that are simple and interesting. Listen carefully to how native speakers stress words, connect phrases, and pause naturally. Pause and repeat sentences aloud, trying to match pronunciation and intonation. Use the shadowing technique. Speak at the same time as the speaker, copying their speed and rhythm. Focus on enjoying the process, not perfection. When you mimic real English speech, your brain and mouth learn how sentences flow naturally, which increases fluency and reduces fear of speaking. The final step is about starting with small, manageable goals and celebrating each success, because confidence builds gradually. And noticing progress motivates you to keep speaking without fear. Begin with short conversations or sentences rather than trying to speak for long periods. Celebrate small wins, like successfully saying a new word, completing a sentence without hesitation, or understanding a conversation. Keep a journal of progress to reflect on improvements over time. Remind yourself that fluency is built step by step, and fear decreases as confidence grows. And focusing on small goals and celebrating progress builds confidence, helping you speak fluently and without fear. If you follow these 5 steps, accepting mistakes, speaking out loud daily, thinking in English, listening and shadowing, and starting small while celebrating progress pulse, you will gradually speak English fluently and confidently without fear. Comment below, what is the first sentence you are going to speak today? I'll read your comments and give feedback. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical tips to boost your English fluency and confidence every day. Thanks for watching, and remember tactics. The more you practice, the more confident you become. And speaking English fluently without fear is completely possible for every learner. See you in the next video.